guys, just got here to Anchorage. All passengers have to show a proof negative COVID testing and come get travel declaration. So we are landing up here after landing from Seattle. So let's see. What's up, guys? Just got here to Anchorage, Alaska, and our first stop will be the Alaska Native Cultural Center. So just excited to learn more about the Alaskan culture, about the native tribes, and just check out the replica of their houses from the different tribes. So yeah, it's been a long day actually. We woke up at 5 this morning from Portland and then had a layover in Seattle and finally here in Anchorage. So just excited to start the day. Alrighty. Okay guys, so right now we are in the Alaska Native Heritage Center. We are on the outside portion of the museum. So this is the village side, so we can explore all the different tribes' villages. Alright guys, the first stop is the Eyak, Tlingit, Haida, and Simshian. Pardon me for the pronunciation. I'm just trying here. Massive plank houses. They have 4 different cultures. Interesting. So this is their traditional home, guys. Really, really cool. Just look at that woodwork. Really beautiful. Got the totem pole there. So yeah, let's go in. So we have the 4 different pillars here that represent the values of the different tribes. Alright guys, so the 2 hobbit looking houses behind me is from the Sugpiaq tribe. That's their traditional clothing. That's how they store their stuff, I guess, from back in the day. God, that's a baby seal right there. Not sure what that is. I guess you can slide down. So I'm the Yupik and Cupik section here. So, all right, let's check it out. So this is the Yupik people. And this is their home. Almost all of them look very, very similar. And saw this one during the performance. Oh wow, the antlers. It's huge.
What's up, guys? So we are at the Moose Institute in downtown Anchorage, Alaska. So we are sampling some of their beers here. So what do we have here?
So guys, I'm sampling their famous fruit beers. I mean, most breweries don't make fruit beers, but this is what I love about this place. And whenever I go to Anchorage, I always come to this place because of their fruit beers. And then you can get a growler after. So the first one is the hard apple, hefe. And then this is the raspberry. And this one's called haze. It's all light beer, but it's really good. And Remy, what you're having?
Getting the all-American meat pizza. Small.
We just eat at like 1 o'clock.
I don't know. We just did some hike. Mini hike.
Mini hike. Alright, kiddos. Bon appetit. Hey guys, you are currently at the Ship Creek, a salmon viewing here. So at this bridge you can spot salmon because this is weird. This is their summertime, is their breeding time. So they're all up here. So that's why down the bridge, and you can fish from here. I mean, you can't fish from the bridge, but you can fish from the rocks down there. So
yeah, you can just go down by the banks there.
it's free fish, guys.
Fishing.
If you catch one, that's yours. Okay, guys, this is the famous Beluga Point on the way to Seward. So it's about like 15-20 minutes from Anchorage. And this is a famous viewpoint to view orcas. And technically you can't cross over the railroad, but I see people there. Oops. But anyway, guys, this is it. If you're lucky, you're able to see some whale doing their backflips.